Hello, I'm Snope, and today I'll be telling you how to make this plastic magnetic Minecraft snowball for my Minecraft action figure. Super glue, magnets, first link in the description, an available printer, sticker paper, fourth link in the description, poster tack, chopsticks, and an available 3D printer. To get the 3D print ready, get this file from the second link in the description and import it into your slicing software. Next, select the model. Make sure it's all the way at the bottom. Next, scale the model by 500% and make sure that the dimensions are like this. Then press slice and preview your model so that you can find out which side has a hole in it. It looks like this side on my model has a hole in it, so I'll select it and rotate so that the hole is at the top. Now, turn supports off and slice it again. Finally, export your model, print the model, then remove the supports. To get the paper ready, use the third link in the description. Then, press download. Finally, open the image and print it. Make sure you're printing on sticker paper and the orientation is portrait. Now cut it out. To get the magnets ready, you can either get some extra magnets from the Minecraft action figure, or you can use the Minecraft action figure to prepare the magnets. Lastly, if you don't have the Minecraft action figure, you can just mark it one side of the magnet. First, get the 3D print, then fill its hole with super glue. Then put some poster tack on the chopstick and put the magnet on that. Make sure the marked side's facing away from the poster tack. Now peel the snowball sticker and put it on the 3D print. Now do the same thing for the other side. Now you can put the snowball on the Minecraft action figure